1 cup oats, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk. Please subscribe to my channel. Mix it well. Please press the like button. A half teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. A pinch of oregano. A half teaspoon chili flakes. Mix all the ingredients very well. If you like my video, please like, comment and share with your family and friends. Parsley or coriander. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, grease a frying pan with oil. Pour the mixture. Put on fire and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Cook on low-medium heat. Flip it over. Ketchup. Mozzarella cheese. Green bell pepper. Jalapenos. Pinch of chili flakes. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, thanks for watching.